Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Make sure Google Assistant is enabled and you have a secure screen lock like a PIN or password. Once done, open Google Settings, go to Assistant Settings, then Devices and choose your phone. Make sure Lock Screen Personal Results is allowed and that Assistant can perform device actions. This lets Assistant send lock commands. If you skip granting lock access, the voice command will fail even if Assistant activates, so confirm those permissions now. Next, teach Assistant the direct action and test it. Say, "Hey Google, lock my phone and watch" for a permission prompt. Grant the device actions permission if requested. If your device prompts for confirmation, follow the on-screen steps to allow one time or always. Make sure Assistant responds when the screen is on and when the screen is off, because behavior can differ. If it won't lock, retry granting permissions in Settings and reboot the phone to clear temporary permission glitches. Finally, verify the workflow. Ask Assistant to lock the phone several times and observe whether the device immediately secures. If it doesn't, go back to Assistant Settings, revoke and re-grant device actions, then test again. Make sure the Google app is updated and your Android system is current. A key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone and clear the Google app cache. That often fixes stuck permissions. If problems continue, reinstall the Google app and repeat the permission grants to restore proper functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.